everybody, Riley here for another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I speak about an adventure in which I have actually experienced, and one in which fruition have actually become more evident with this film, with this video. I have been able to actually arrange my pond in such a way that it allows the yellow labs in which I have five, in which I purchased, and they have actually bred. I checked the pond the other day and I saw some little fine yellow stuff. Yellow, I wouldn't say stuff. I saw some small yellow thing actually moving at the base. So I was like looking carefully, and then I realized that wow, you see that there's a small, or should I say, about a 1 inch fry, right, in the pond. I took my camera and I waited, and finally it came out of hiding, and I was able to film at least some section of the pond itself with the fry actually swimming, right. It is very interesting how you actually arrange your Mbuna pond or aquarium. In arranging your Mbuna pond or aquarium, you must be mindful that you might end up getting a spawn, right? So therefore, you have to create spaces where in which the Mbuna, the mouthbrooder cichlid, can actually release its spawn, and the spawn can actually hide and feel safe, go into certain size, and then they will actually come out free swimming like the remaining fish within the space. So that's what I have done with this pond. As you can see, there's a lot of rock work with fine spaces, large spaces, and medium spaces. And my yellow labs have been able to maneuver through these spaces, have their fries. Their fries are alive, but they are hiding. As you can see, they are a little bit timid coming out because, of course, the adults are very aggressive, and where they actually leave themselves careless, they will be eaten by the adults. So I have actually bred my Demasoni set of Mbuna. I have bred my yellow lab. I am waiting now on my peacock to actually give me a spawn, and my Menganos, I think they are a little bit young, but hopefully before the end of the year I will get some. I will not be able to sell my yellow labs until I reach probably about 2 dozen, which give or take probably about 4 or 5 more spawn, right? Because being it that they are small, that's the parents, the adults, they are small, they won't be able to actually give me, let's say, 10 or 15 fries, right? Give or take, I might have like 1 being lost or 2, depending on the pace of the fish actually swimming, right? They're mostly at the top anyway, and I can tell you they're very active, right? Very shy, surprisingly, but very active, right? So I expect that probably in the next 2 months or so, I get probably about 2 more spawn, because I have more than 1 female, right? Keeping fish, one of the most intriguing part about that activity is actually seeing your fish actually spawn. For some persons, this is like a no-brainer, but for persons like me that have just gone into cichlid breeding and keeping, it's like, yeah, I'm getting there, right? My forte normally would be Liberia's goldfish, right? Convict cichlids and Jack Dempsey. Now I'm trying my luck. Well, I'm setting up myself to breed Demasoni, Jaguar cichlids, angels, chromides. Chromides are getting, the population are getting large, and also I'm trying to get severum, right? So I'm in the mode of doing that type of breeding, networking, and then now I will actually be selling to the pet shop. And these fish, when bred, when spawn, give or take 2 dozen. Let's say I get 2 dozen, 24, that is, right? Let's say I get 24 fries grown out to at least 2 or 3 inches. That's a good change. That can help to pay the bills and can help to push me forward to the next level, right? There's a lot of things that is happening on my fish farm. Some of them are really, sad. Some of them, makes me feel happy. But at the same time, what is life without challenges? Challenges occur everywhere, right? Every hour of the day you have challenges, and if you do not make up your mind to face these challenges, you'll find that you'll be going into a state of depression. Well, this is another episode of Fish Keep in Jamaica. Thank you very much for stopping by. I'm feeling awesome that my yellow labs have bred, and I'm hoping to see more breeding taking place shortly. As you can see, I have a good amount of breeding systems up. My tilapia cichlids have bred, right? It's about 4 dozen, right? My chromite cichlids, the population is growing very profusely. This is about 5 dozen, right? Plus I have another batch that's like hiding. This is Malawian peacocks. I don't know how you pronounce that, right? I have convicts over here. I have convicts over here. I also have convicts over here. Right? More baby chromites over this side. Peacocks and other fish down that side. So the breeding mechanism is there. It's working, and I'll share with you as I go along my successes, my dilemma, because we all learn from each other. Thank you very much for stopping by. Peace.